Hi, I'm Nick Walter, and welcome to the Complete Kotlin Developers course. Kotlin is a new programming language that compiles to the JVM, which means almost anywhere that you write Java code, you can now replace that with Kotlin code. And why would you want to use Kotlin over Java? Well, take a look at this example. Here we have a very simple class that's been implemented in Java. It's got a couple of properties, a method at the end. This is 27 lines of code. Now this exact same class in Kotlin is 3 lines of code. This is why Kotlin is so amazing. It's so much simpler, to the point. It's a statically typed programming language, and it's a joy to work with. By enrolling in this course, you'll become a confident Kotlin developer. Now, I believe we learn best by doing, so this is a project-based course. We'll be creating 2 different Android apps. 1, a resume app to show off your skills to some potential employers, and 2, a weather app so you can learn how to use Kotlin to work with the web API, process some data, and show it back to the end user. We'll also be creating a command line tool and JavaScript for a website. Yes, Kotlin can compile to JavaScript as well. What can't this language do? Now you may be wondering, is this the right course for me? Well, if you're an absolute beginner with no programming experience, I have a section in this course called Kotlin for Beginners. In addition to teaching you Kotlin, it'll walk you through the basics of programming like variables, if statements, for loops, classes, the whole shebang. And if you're already a programmer, I have a section called Kotlin for Programmers, where I get you up to speed as quickly as possible. And I even have a lecture in there called Java and Kotlin. So if you're a Java developer, I'll teach you everything you need to know about this new language and how you can integrate it into your existing projects. And regardless of whether you go down the beginner or the programmer route, I have challenges throughout the course to make sure you're really comprehending this new programming language. Recently, Google announced that Kotlin is officially supported in Android development. Obviously, Kotlin is the future. Come be a part of it. Enroll in the Complete Kotlin Developers course now. I'll see you on the inside.